Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ishwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a triangle with a base of 8.5 decimeter and height of 7 decimeter is to be cut from a thin cardboard 10 decimeter long and 6 decimeter wide. How much area of the cardboard will be left? Here we have given base of a triangle is 8.5 decimeters and height of a triangle is 7 decimeters. Now, area of a triangle is given by 1/2 base, that is 8.5 decimeters into height is 7 decimeters. So it is 29.75 square decimeters. Now, area of a cardboard with length 10 decimeters and width 6 decimeters is given by area of a cardboard equals to length into width, that is 10 into 6, that is 60 square decimeters. Hence, area of the cardboard left is given by area of the cardboard, that is 60 decimeters square, minus area of the triangle, that is 29.75 square decimeters. So it is 30.25 square decimeters. Hence, area of a cardboard left is 30.25 square decimeters. So, from given options, we have option C as 30.25 square decimeters.